Hello guys, we have another physics question under electricity or electrical circuit. So this is an examination question 12 of 2012. A 4 ohms DVD, 6 ohms shaving machine, and a 12 ohms radio cassette are connected at the same time in parallel. Nice. Across 24 volt power supply, a 24 volt power supply. The first question is draw a circuit diagram to represent this connection. This is very simple, guys. This is very simple. So, to draw a circuit diagram to represent the connection, we can just say, we can just draw like this. Draw like a box, a rectangle. Okay. A rectangle like this. Then we have connections. Okay. From here you can have power supply. Okay. Power supply. Let me just put it here. Power supply this side. This is the power supply. Okay. So I'm going to draw something like this. Okay. Since we have 3 of these, so we're going to have, and they are in parallel, so we're going to say we have one here, we have another one here, then we also have the last one here. It is as simple as this, guys. This is in parallel. So the first one is a DVD. So we can just say 4 ohms. Let's just write DVD, and let's just write the ohms. We know that this is shaving machine, that is for whatever. Then 6 ohms is for shaving machine. Then we have 12 ohms for a radio cassette. That is the first question. We have the power supply. It's 12 volts, right? 12 volts here. The power supply. Okay, so let's just put it here. Let's call this one as a switch, and it's 24. Okay, that one is our switch. Okay, and we have 12. Oh, it's 24, not 12 volts. 24. All right, so this is our power supply. Then we may have a switch, our switch that is here. No problem. Now, the second question, we are asked to find the total resistance in the circuit offered by all the 3 appliances. This is super good. Total resistance, when you have two resistors in parallel, it is like this. When you have 2, you can just say total resistance is equals to R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2. Now we have more than 2, therefore we can use another formula instead of using this. Okay, we have 3 of them. So B, we're going to say 1 over total resistors, they're asking us, is equals to 1 over resistor 1 plus 1 over resistor 2 plus 1 over resistor what? 3. Okay. So 1 over total resistance is equals to 1 over, what is resistor 1 is what? 4 plus 1 over resistor 2, 6. 1 over resistor is 12. 3, resistor 3 is 12. So you can solve this side. Common denominator will be 12. So you can say 1 over total resistance is equals to 12. 4 into 12 is 3 times, right? And 3 times 1 is just 3. 6 into 12, 2 times 1, 2. 12 into 12, 1 times 1, 1. So you have 1 over total resistance is equals to 3 plus 2 plus 1 is what? 6 over 12. Then you cross multiply. It will be R is equals to, 6R is equals to 12. Then we divide. Let me just write it from here. 6R is equals to 12 over total resistance, therefore, is equals to 2 ohm. Total resistance is just the 2. You see? Just the 2. So that's the answer to the second question. Okay. Now, to the last question, let me just create space. To the last question, and the last question is 6 marks. Wow, that's nice. 6 marks. So, total resistance, by the way, is what? 2 what? So let's keep total resistance because we may use it. So total resistance is equals to 2 ohms. Okay. Now, they are asking us to calculate the current in each appliance. So in DVD, shaving machine, and radio. So we're going to say C, number 1, we're going to start with DVD. Okay. So current is equals to potential difference, which is total voltage over resistance, which is supplied to what? The DVD, right? So voltage total is what? 20 what? 24 volts. Resistance for DVD is what? 4 ohms. So when you divide 24 divided by 4, is it 6? 6 amps. 6, right? 6 amps here. Then number 2, for shaving machine is current is equals to V over resistance supplied to shaving machine. Total voltage is still 24. Resistance 6, right? 6 ohms. When you divide, you're going to have 4, right? 4 amps. Okay? Am I right?
Yes.
Then the last one, which is number 3, is a radio, right? Radio cassette. Current supplied to a radio cassette is equals to 24 volts over what is the... Oh, by the way, listen, we will not use this one. Well, they have said in each appliance, so we're going to use each resistance, not total what, not total resistance. So if we use total resistance, we're going to find the same answer throughout because we're going to use 2. So for radio is what? 12, right? 12 ohms. What's the answer? 2 amps. That's the answer. And that's it. We've answered this question. Okay? We've answered this question. It is as simple as this.